Sure we live on YouTube. What's going on, or how you guys doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon for some. I know it's afternoon. I know it's afternoon in some places, right? But hey, welcome to Forex on Sundays. We about to go up right now. It's about to be amazing. What I want you to do right now, though, what I want you to do to start the morning off right, just catch this vibe with me. I don't know what your thing is. If you do coffee, if you do juice, water, whatever it is, I'm about to go ahead and spark up. I know people get on here, you feel me? They spark up with me, they vibe with me like that. So I do what I do best. You know what I mean? We're gonna spark up, we're gonna vibe. What I want you to also do is smack that like button. All right, smack that like button, smack that like button, smack that subscribe button if you haven't already. You feel me? Let's get right into this. I'm gonna let some vibes play, smoke a little bit of this, comment where you from in the chat, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch to the chart. We're gonna start off with DXY, that's the dollar index, and then we're gonna work our way from there. Get it?
Yeah. Okay, pop up in command, and we got the fan drums. Let the silence fade away. I'm brigadier the anthem. Bought a little homies active and ain't gonna ransoms. In the market with the gooey, sticky money last long. Keep the equity on tilt so you know I can stand the sun. Have them holler, shaking, tiptoeing like a dancer. Hit them tick-tock dances, fireworks gon' blast them. Put a richer mill on stocks, that's that growth of index funds. Raise your motherfucking conscience, bitch, I'm on the last lane. Hope you get the Mona Lisa and we on the same page. Keep my sanity in peace and peace the line the same way. Man, I piece together pieces just to keep my shit straight. I OD on pretty pussy, I say please she give me cookie. Ayo, last man was a rookie, like I'm fucking off a bean. Little bitch, I'm a lion out the cage. When I'm done, then it's back to the road, to the bank. Bitch, it's all about the money and the automation wave. This shit flowing and I'm dripping in tyllionaire, okay. She say she don't got the money, so little mama cannot pay. Baby, I only fuck with bosses, so you better hold your weight. This that rich dick, baby, I can open up that gate. This that hit stick, baby, I can go control the way.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. Yo, so that was OD on Forex. That was OD on Forex. That's gonna be dropping soon as well. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. Also, that tyllionaire curse. If you don't know the curse by now, all right. So if you do hit the dislike button, man, it's crazy. I heard life get trash. You know what I'm saying? Somebody told me, you know, they was like, man, I heard you ran into an old witch before. And when I ran into this old witch, she told me, anybody who smashed that dislike button on your page, Tyler, I will make sure that they are perished to the most unhumble work of all times. That means you might even be cleaning the shitter. All right, so going to this next thing, right? DXY, we're looking at price obviously pushing to the downside right now, pushing to the downside. So as we look at it, breezing on, you know, breezing on down, just declining. We're right here chilling at this support area right now. And if we zoom in, then it can also be called the demand zone as well, right? So what's dope about that? Ooh, two people got that tyllionaire curse, man. That bad juju gonna hurt. I'm telling you. I personally don't smack dislikes on the YouTube videos though, because I don't want no bad luck. You know what I mean? I can't start my day off like that. Hell no. I'm already disliking shit, so then your whole day end up being disliked. Hey, but let's get it right. Let's get it. So boom, we are waiting for price to break the support, right? That price, let's go ahead and get a price on that motherfucker. I'm looking at this off the daily as well. Right now, price is like 91, 537. So just doing a quick read off the daily, I'm gonna just go underneath support. So we're gonna look at like 91, 215, 91, 215. All right, so when we get around that 91, 215 area, if it does break that and continues pushing past that, then you know what you're gonna see. A sharp decline to the downside, right? A sharp decline to the downside, all right? Let's do it like that. Now I am pushing that positive wave over here. We're getting some positive energy just flowing through your blood, through your flows, and through your membranes. You know what I mean? I started off with a little pressed juice, some turmeric and orange and all of that bullshit. You know what I mean? But check this out. You know, just getting that positive energy flowing, right? Right now, what I want you guys to do, just have a blessed, have a blessed day, have a blessed week. I want you to, just put that positive energy over your trading accounts, over your stock accounts. I don't know what you trade. If you're trading crypto, Bitcoin, all that, and just turn up. I'm just, exuding some of my energy your way. I always start off the week, with this great positive energy, big smiles and stuff like that. So really just going into the week like that, going into the week really just, optimistic. Yeah, not every week is going to be the best week, but you can make it a week that, when you adjust it, it's going to work for you. So we about to go ahead and slide on to GU right now. We about to slide on to GU right now. You feel me? And I'm going to get it cracking like that. Yeah, dig. I'm not about to be living on these charts all day because really, the analysis is quick. You know what I'm saying? When you running your mouth and shit, then that's what's going to take some time. So really, really quick, boom, get to GU. Already see this thing trending up. I could go ahead and throw a trend line just like that. I know, hey, folks be looking at this shit. You don't have an RSI? You don't have a moving average? Like, nigga, I will literally put this trend line here and take it right the fuck off. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. All right, so we see GU chilling right here, right in this little demand zone, right? Price has banked against this little area so many times. Price has already returned here. 1, 2, basically we have a slight double bottom coming up out of the side of GU. I expect the Great British Pound versus US dollar to continue moving forward as well. We're gonna go over to actually looking at the German 30, and then I'll show you some stuff in German 30 as well. But like I said, I expect this thing literally to continue trending north to the top side. They're like, yeah, that boy, that motherfucking weed hitting over there. That nigga Tyler turned into the Forex newscaster. You know what I mean? But yeah, definitely continue see this. Moving to the top side, right? Moving to the top side. You're like, well, let's put a price on that shit. So for the week, definitely I expect price to get to about 139. All right, that's like 60 pips away. My bad, 60 pips away. 139. We break 139, then we'll probably get to the 140 area. So we may or may not end up at that 140 area this week. All right, so definitely be looking out for that. Definitely be looking out for that. Yes, butt naked booty trading. All right. Just like that, easy call. You should be able to get to the market and see, baby, see. So we're going over here to this German 30, right? German 30, and I looked at this, you feel me, on my phone a little bit earlier this morning because I'm like, yo, I wanted to see what this German 30 was doing. So basically, we got 30 taking off to the top side as well. German 30 just, you know, performing really, really well. So I definitely could see the pound performing extremely well as well. It doesn't look like it's going to slow down anytime soon. You feel me? Doesn't look like it's gonna slow down anytime soon. So what we'll do is go to this week right here. All right, looking like it's gonna just basically be a great month. Off the year is off to a great start. We're just approaching. We're going into the second quarter right now, right? You know, everything is broken into 4 quarters, so we're going into that second quarter right now. So it's looking good as we, you know, walk into the second quarter over here. Once again, I definitely can see the pound, you know, following this wave and moving, you know, accordingly. Okay. So what we're going to do is go over to that US 30. That's that big dog shit. You know what I'm saying? So right now in the chat, take 2 or 3 puffs if you be riding this big dog shit. If you be on this young US 30, you know what I'm saying? If you fuck with the indexes, whether it's, you know, through dividends, ETF invested, or whether it's through, you know, the foreign exchange, let me know in the chat right now. Once again, we want to keep that chat popping. We want to keep this energy lit. I'm on my YouTuber shit now. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep that energy lit, keep it turned. We're about to switch back to the charts, go into US 30, right after US 30, right? Right after US 30, we're going to go right into the NASDAQ, right into the NASDAQ. So spam that in the like button, spam that, that's this motherfucking pack hitting. Hey, spam the like button, don't spam the like button. Let's get cracking. Appreciate all you guys being here. I want to give a trade because you know the motherfucking vibes. All right, let's get it. So as we get on to US 30, boom. US 30 continuing to push to the top side. When I went on here, I think it was like a week or so ago, I pretty much told you what was cracking with this. But I mean, we spoke about US 30 so many different times that you should already be on track with me here. If you're not on track with me here, then go join TFX, goddamn. Anyway, so looking at the weekly, market just pushing to the top side, technically. Now, if you know anything about patterns and stuff like that, maybe you guys don't like the patterns. Maybe you don't like reading. Right now, this thing called 3 white soldiers, right? Boom. So 3 white soldiers in a sense indicates that, well, price is going to continue going up. Now, I'm not going to say that I don't see 3 white soldiers on this, you know, weekly chart, but I am saying that you definitely could go check that out for yourself and, you know, you can see what it is. Now, when I go into a smaller time frame, do I definitely feel like the market is going to pull back because it's at extreme highs? Well, you know, that's usually what it is. So the premise and how it goes is buy low and sell high. So you see price kind of sitting at a doji right now because, you know, price got extremely high, start pulling back, and people got indecisive. They're like, well, you know, do I want to fucking, you know, should we buy now? Should we sell now? Price is too high. So a lot of people just sat and wait, and you can see that right here, you know, via this day, that people just literally chilling on the sideline waiting. And this last day was Friday, so you know that's what you got with the Friday. Now continuing on, right? I definitely feel like market's gonna keep pushing. 34,291. You know, that's a very clean buy. So if you want to go ahead and grab that, it's a clean buy. If you check over here, you'll see that, you know, price was at 34,270. So I really just have you entering after, you know, price breaks a new high, and I feel like you definitely should be lit like that. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So once again, what I feel is gonna happen is price pulls back a little bit. It's a possibility we could come to 33.8, right? It's a possibility we could come to 33.8. So just let it be known that it's a possibility it could come here. If not, you know, you'll find an entry on the buy if we teeter around this area. But really, you know, a safe buy once again is 34,290. You know what I'm saying? For those who gonna go ahead and try to slide in there and get cracking with the trend and shit, and you know, get you some money for, well, until, you know, let's get to that NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack, bitch. What's up? You know what I mean? So we about to go ahead and go get cracking with that NASDAQ right now. And what's dope about NASDAQ is actually, I want to know you guys' experience on the NASDAQ. So let me know your experience on the NASDAQ. Do you actually make money on the NASDAQ? Do you like trading NASDAQ over US 30? What do you feel is better? You know, I just want to do a little, you know, survey right now. What do you feel is better, NASDAQ or that young 30, that young 3-0? You know what I'm saying? So let me know right now in the chat. What's better, NASDAQ or US 30? All right. Spam that chat. Spam that chat. You see your comments popping up right now. You'll see your comments popping up. All right. Somebody said it's a sell. Yeah, you probably been saying that for the last 3 weeks too. Blow your shit. What I would do is just watch this market. You know what I'm saying? Could it pull back? Yes, that's a strong possibility that it could pull back. I mean, but we know that already. We know that already. You know what I mean? So I'm about to load up that NAS 100. I see people saying US 30. I see people saying NAS. People saying this NAS for me. Okay. It's the NAS for you. Okay. You say you had a lot of better experience with the NASDAQ.
Hey, yo, Kizzy, what the fuck?
All right, let's vibe, though. Let's vibe and mark up these charts, though. If you know the song, just go ahead and pop the lyrics in this joint. Let's get it. You feel me? Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, bought some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currencies, just a little tip. NAS 100, that's some big shit. US 30 all profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run, baby, so I'm back in. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, bottle in with it.
Easy call, easy call, easy call, easy call. So simple, super simple. Look, market still traded up, okay? Price still moving to the top side. Tech companies still booming, doing the good thing. Shit, you got, you know, new companies in, you know, the medical field and pharmaceuticals booming, doing, you know, great business right now. You know, I'm not gonna say this is pre-COVID. This is like we're kind of going into like post-COVID era right now. So a lot of people definitely are recovering financially in these markets right now, in this time right now, and you definitely could see this by, you know, just looking at how the business is doing. Once again, do I feel like we will get a slight pullback? It's a strong possibility that you get a slight pullback. Prices are high. Now, when the pullback comes, it will come about 20 to 200 something points, you know what I'm saying? So be expecting that. But then what you're trading is a fucking index. So you're going to have red days in your portfolio, and that's what it's going to be. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Spam that like button, spam that like button, spam that like button. If you haven't already, if you're not a subscriber here already, make sure you hit that sub button. If you don't have my notifications on already, make sure you hit the notification button. And if you haven't, you know, hopped into the $1,000 giveaway that I'm having, all you got to do inside it's a link in my bio somewhere. It's like a Linktree link or something like that. You just click on that shit. It says $1,000 giveaway and you watch the video. I tell you everything, how to do it. Boom, get it cracking like that, right? So let's continue on this young NAS pack real quick. All right, now we're looking at it on the weekly. Obviously, we're going to the daily, and let me give you some price points. All right. All right, so we got price looking like it's about to break the fuck out. All right, shit just chilling right here. already broke structure in a sense. You feel me? Looking left, you know ain't nothing there because prices just keep making new fucking highs. So if you want to hop in a quick little buy, you feel me, and really make some bread, 14,106. 14,106, you be solid. Do I feel like it'll pull back? If it do, it'll probably come to 13,800. You feel me? I don't think it'll break this point. I don't feel like it'll break this point. If so, okay, fuck it. There's short under here. And you be good. But I don't feel like it's going to break that point. I feel like if it do pull back, it'll chill right here and then push again. You feel me? No sweat. I already expect a 20 to 200 point pullback anyway before the shit take off, just because you know how the market moves. So anyway, like I said, 14,106 and you in that NASDAQ. Lego! Hey, smack that like button. It's too many people watching, not enough people smacking that like button. I need you guys to smack that like button because YouTube loves when you smack the like button. YouTube loves when you smack the like button. You feel me? It helps you get ranked. It helps you keep delivering really dope content. Really dope content. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, let's get it cracking. So we're about to move on to the XPX 500. Now, you know, I do have a song, XPX 5, in the bass slide. Like, nigga, I ain't listened to that shit in a minute because I make so much new music. You know what I mean? But obviously, once again, you see this joint chilling on the uptrend. Could price pull back? Yes, there's a possibility it could pull back. You know what I'm saying? It could be a big pullback. But I just look at the market trending. You know what I mean? I feel like we're definitely on track for great months. This is how the month is started right now. So, you know, I feel like we got an engulfing candle forming on the monthly, and we definitely just going to continue pushing throughout the month, throughout the year. You feel me? Throughout the month and throughout the year. So once again, you know, appreciate everybody for just tapping in, you know, and getting cracking with me. This isn't a live stream, meaning like I'm not trading on this one. Like if you want to see me trade live, obviously I go live every single Monday in my own little private community. You know what I mean? At 6:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I always send out when I'm about to go live and get it cracking like that, you know, but I love trading live. You feel me? It's my favorite shit to do. I never have anything on my charts, you know what I mean? Because I just personally don't like the stuff on my charts because it gets in the way of me making really quick decisions. You feel me? But that's my personal preference. Like it's just like you know, some people play, you know, Call of Duty with some different settings. You know what I mean? Like, you know, some people play Fortnite with different settings. Like those are just my settings. My settings is, you know, butt naked booty charts. You know what I'm saying? And we get it cracking like that. Easy call. So XPX 5, once again, like I said, I appreciate you guys for being here. We're almost at 100K. Thankful for the 100K. You feel me? We've just been building. I got the tour coming up soon too. That shit about to be lit as fuck. So I mean, you just gotta look at my page. You see what's going on. It's lit. All right, so let me try to find you an entry. All right. So I definitely feel like market could pull back. If we pull back, with 41.39, 41.40, about 40 points, I see that it's a strong possibility that can happen. If it busted, fuck it. Then you gotta go ahead and, you know, go the opposite way, right? That's just what it is. Although, Cape Town, yeah, hey, y'all be going crazy out there for me in South Africa, though. I'm fucking with y'all out there. Oh, B, Trey, we were supposed to run the other day. You feel me? Let's hop on that jet. Shit, I'll hop on there later on after this. How long I been on this? Like 20 minutes almost. This shit's super. So we go bust through these shits real quick and get it cracking. You feel me? Next, XPX 5. So you want to take another buy with that, right? I feel like price could come down here. So if it come down here, I feel like it's gonna go into like a little consolidation phase or whatever the fuck. You know what I'm saying? So when it starts peeking back out, I will buy around this area if it doesn't break through to the downside. Or if you got to get cracking with the trend, we're gonna do, what is this? Price at 41.83.2. High is 41.93. So I would just say get in at like 41.97 and ride, baby. You can exit at like 4,300, no kizzy. You feel me? It's gonna be a long ride. You're gonna be holding that jit for a second, but shit, nice little swing trade for you if you want to eat. If you want to eat. If you want to eat, you feel me? Oh, you said buff the beat code. Nah, we about to buff something else. I got the bakers. We about to put on that this joint right here. We got some other shit we about to vibe to as we move charts. We go the next chart that we go to. So we already did Great British Pound USD. We'll go do gold right now. But as we go to gold, you feel me? We're gonna put some monster shit on. But I do got some questions to ask y'all. You feel me? Do got some questions to ask y'all. So, so as you're trading, right? What do you like on your charts? Like, I mean, are you using supply and demand zone, support or resistance? Are you using harmonics? Are you using, you know, auto trader? Like, are you using some sort of indicator? Like, what's your trading style? Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader? I just want to stay engaged with you, you know, as you're just vibing right now. Like I said, we get on this thing, I really want to catch a vibe. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like getting on here, to really catch the vibe. We just got to feel y'all out, see if y'all really lit. Like, are you really that lit? You know what I'm saying? So we're going to vibe out, and we're going to find out right now. You know what I'm saying? So let me see what's good. Let's see what's good. We got gold coming up right now. All right. So I'm loading up my gold charts right now while y'all spam that chat. Feel me? Was really good. Okay, RSI divergence. Okay, you zone to zone. I see you. Okay, you use support and resistance and breakout. Okay, moving average the 50. Okay. What's up? Manifesting wealth. What's going on? Davian Barnes says he used supply and demand, support and resistance. Okay. All right. Kinsey Ansong says you highs and lows with order blocks. Okay, that's pretty dope forex trading style. You know what I mean? And the reason I ask is because so many people, you know, have different forex trading styles and stuff like that. Like I said, me personally, I love the clean charts. I don't like anything going there. And you know, this is what I like. That's how I like to trade. So like, I'd be like, I don't mind fucking with other trading styles and shit and seeing how you do your shit. Like, okay, that's how you shoot the ball for sure. Like, some people 3-pointer, you might be like, damn, this nigga got an ugly ass shot, but it went in. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But we about to turn on some vibes right now.
What's good? Tyllionaire.
Go crazy, baby.
We got gold coming up right now. Grab that like button, let's go.
Hey, I'm back with another one. Big collection, gold edition, this that one of one. This the NFT league, had to do it to him. In the league, have him flipping off that roof.
Let's motherfucking party, let's go.
Knocking and booming, ayy. My meta trader still winning off in that room, ayy. They cook the pound down the trade off in that coupe, what? That NASPAC hitting hard about the recluse, ooh. That pack of loud when you are that light, ooh. Street sweeper, keep the distance in the booth, bitch. Oh, my toss and hit my motherfucking moves. Out of market, easy, call my screws loose. We the outlaws. I fucked the marker off, forgot to wear a stop loss. Hold a trade, if it bustin', I'ma pop off. Put a laser on my head, and I'ma drop off. Fuck it 3 times a day, and then I got on. Hit the broker up on Thursday, withdraw. Then hit the banker up, man, that's a big call. A big ball, big dog. If you step, then we gon' step. Run it up to see the numbers, but I never see the wall. ATS tucked in the engine, I'ma let them have it all. It's not a tuna kid, my nigga, this shit right here make you a boss. Level up your fucking loss, become a winner on your walk. Level up your talk, nigga, conversation is the destination. So you're all in legislation and finance. Then you come raw, put on a gas mask. Hit the market every day, blacked out. Wait for your payment, then you go. This the same thing, this the lane change. Money off the rain, mind frame, get the change. Then I get paid and get laid. Look, you probably pay K, but I'd rather let my girl cook. Catalog the dinner's 5-star, not that broke shit. Order up that Wagyu steak, look, better late than never, but I'm never usually late. Fashionably, but that's only when I ride to a state. I'm faster than these, cause I'm tired of the motherfucking great. Lately, money mine on forex in the money line. Making money pie, stack the money to the sunny skies. Put the order in the wait, so we dropping money rhymes. Go ahead and do something so you don't check the oven times. Betty Crocker crack that motherfucker till it's money time.
Easy call. A lot of people enjoy that record. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for enjoying that record. Hey, smash the like button. Once again, YouTube appreciates that. Yo, so go, right? So gold price, we're looking at this on the daily. So I don't want you to be like, oh, what's going on? What's going on, right? What's going on is we're looking at this joint on the daily. So all I'm saying is price came up, right, to hit the 2000s. Now I'm not gonna go all the way in and give us an exact price. 2076, let's say smack there. Could have went, you know, higher or lower, but that's, you know, the peak of it right there, right? Boom. Price came down, boom, came down to retest. All right, this little demand zone right here. Bam, we in the little demand zone right now. Technically, the price of gold is still, you know, floating to the top side. You feel me? All right. Here we go. You know, price pushing up. So let's go in to like the foe. The foe. Check it like this. To the daily. That should get ugly. There we go. So I feel like where we're at currently, price could either move down a little bit to about where we at 76. So probably come down to like 70. Feel me? Like $6. Maybe hike back up to like 18.10. Possibly that's the week. So you said, where could I download this? So It's gonna be on all the it's gonna be on all the joints, all the platforms, like either come later on today or like tomorrow or Tuesday. Like I said, we got some big shit dropping, so you kind of seen like the behind the scenes with Future Kings and everything like that. So we got some big shit dropping. You know what I mean? You definitely just want to be, you know, tapped in, get it cracking like that. But like I said, I feel like gold could get to like 1810, especially with a bleeding dollar. A lot of people were definitely, you know, looking at gold as it was just going up. And then gold has been down for so long, but you know, gold's not really one of those markets that, you know, just continue to the downside. Like it has a very strong bull run as well. So as I'm looking at it, you know, from the daily perspective, shit, gold look like it's just getting up out of here, breaking new trends, you know, for new weekly trends and shit. You feel me? And it's gonna just continue boogieing up until it's not. Do you feel what I'm saying? Do you feel what I'm saying? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? We need some energy in here though. So what I want you to do is just type energy in the chat, right? Type energy in the chat, type energy in the chat, type energy in the chat. All right. So for gold, once again, I said I feel like price is gonna come to about, what is that, 1770. So maybe pull back to 1770. So be expecting a little sharp pull to the downside, but definitely, you know, be expecting price to go ahead and push up. Anything past 1787. The high of this little range right now was at 1783. So $4 after that, you want to go ahead and get you in a buy, you know, float them to the 1800 area. You're going to go ahead and eat. Once again, that's off the daily. So, you know what I mean? You'll be able to go ahead and get it cracking. What are the last pairs I'm going to go to is like Euro USD. Then I'll go to like US CAD or, you know, something like that. But spam energy in the chat right now. Spam energy in the chat and just catch some of this energy right now. Catch some of this energy. Spam energy in the chat. Let's turn up. Let's turn up. Once again, I want y'all to have a very dope week. Great week. Get some withdrawals in. Go smack these brokers. You know what I mean? Really turn up. You know what I'm saying? Forex on Sundays. It's lit, baby. This more than motivation. I want you to be able to spot the charts, see the charts. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with us, you know, during the week and just see how shit really get cracking. Do you know what I'm saying? But check it. So we about to go to Euro USD right now. I don't know what your favorite, you know, chart is. I don't know what your favorite pair is, but just let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. That's how you do it. You let me know in the chat. And we're going to go over here, right? We're going to go over here and check it out on the chart. We check it out on the chart. You let me know. I'm going to do one more, and that we call that the special pair. So after I do Euro USD, I guess I'll do US CAD, and then we'll do the special pair, and that's the one that, you know, the chat calls out. So you guys be spamming that just so I'll be able to watch it. I'm checking the comments right now, so I'm really tapped in. Once again, we're on the way almost to 100K. So if you haven't subbed yet, hey, smack that sub button. We're going to smack the 100K. About to go on tour. This shit is about to be lit as fuck. So all you got to do is stay tapped in. It's your boy Ty. You know what the fuck it is. Let's get it cracking. Hey, so boom, we on Euro USD right now, right? So we seen that dollar just dying off, dollar dying off, dollar dying off. What is Euro USD doing right now? Oh, what? Boom, that ching is right there in a motherfucking resistance zone, right? So you got supply zones and you got demand zones. So boom, you know, your demand zones at the bottom, obviously your supply zones right here. So we got price chilling in a little resistance area or a supply zone right now, right? So I feel like once price breaks the supply zone and keep going up, we can see Euro USD going to possibly 121 this week, 121 this week. If we get a break, you know, if we get a break, where would you buy? Price right now is at 119. 822. So if you want to get you a smooth buy in, shit, you can get in 20 pips above that. Super clean buy, you know, get in at 120. Exactly. That's 1.2000. It's three numbers, right? 2020. Yeah. Boom. You feel me? Clean buy. You cash out at 21. Feel me? Easy little buy scout. Not really a scout, kind of like a little buy swing. It's gonna take a minute, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. All right, but I definitely see this thing just going ahead, you know, getting cracking to the top side right now. Yes, we're gonna see some resistance. How do I feel Sunday's gonna start? Obviously, you know, since we're in this little consolidation, I feel like we're gonna be remaining here until we bust out. But I can see us going to the top side. Once we break, you know, to get in at 120, you're gonna cash out at 121. That's easy money. Yeah, free trade for the week. You know what I mean? Go ahead and eat. Could it pull back? This is, like I said, it's a strong possibility. It's definitely a strong possibility. So be expecting that. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Let's get it. Trade gang shit. Yo, so I'm waiting for that last pair. I'm waiting for that last pair of currency or whatever y'all want me to mark up last. Once again, it really doesn't take long to just look at your charts. We should be able to see this thing and get going, right? But we waiting for that last little joint right now. So go ahead and let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat what's really good. Yeah, I see y'all energy up right now. Okay, some people said Bitcoin. It's really the same person said Bitcoin. GJ, Euro UAD, pound cap. Okay, volatility. Okay, that's that South African shit. That volatility is 85, huh? What's good, Raheem? What's good? Tea Leaf. Somebody said pound. Yeah, a lot of people saying GJ. Damn, y'all love the shit out of some GJ, huh? Y'all going crazy. I definitely see a lot of GJ. Fabian trying to fight back with Bitcoin himself, but GJ just being overpowered by everybody else in the chat. So, did I do the nasty Nash? Yeah, we did nasty Nash already. Actually, shit, I got something coming on Dogecoin, so you definitely want to be tapped up. You feel me? Had that motherfucking notification in. Hey, what I smoking? That be having like the little leaf that come for the, you know, sometimes you get the little bud. So we're gonna get on GJ. Once again, appreciate everybody for just being tapped in. It's fucking lit. You know what I'm saying? Just look at all the energy that's here this morning. Look at all the energy that's here this morning. I know we weren't doing Sundays for a cool minute. Now we back. We doing Sundays. The energy hype. What's up? You feel me? So I need y'all just turn up. Feel me? Get that good energy so y'all can really just be there. I need y'all to be on it. It's gonna be a great week. Feel me? So let's go get GJ, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. You know what I mean? And then we go in Amico, trading in Amico. Versace roll, bro. You feel me? Y'all get out of control on the way up out of this motherfucker. You feel me? And then we go. So it's go. Like I said, I got a vibe for you. So we had a dope show today. So y'all turn up. Appreciate y'all. Just, you know, go ahead and rock it with me. I mean, you see GJ moving like GU, baby. See JJ moving like GU, baby. First off, I mean, we gonna trade what we see. First off, so boom, price all the way pushing to the top side, right? Hit his high, came down, retested. Hit his high, came down and retested. But what you think is going to do next, man? So we can go ahead, go right here. Throw my fucking rectangle on there. Boom! Hey, making money with shapes, huh? But that rectangle isn't just a rectangle. See, in Forex, that's actually called a what? Demand zone, right? People use a demand zone as where, you know, people buy and, you know, put limit orders and things like that. So that's a demand zone, right? Easy call. Boom. Price leaving out of this demand zone as we're already up on the uptrend, looking like it's pushing out of this little little consolidation area right now. Price is getting to the top of here, teetering. So as we go into the smaller time frames, because we already see that price definitely seems like it's going to continue pushing back up. Gonna retest 153. You can see 153 in the horizon, 153 in the horizon. We're looking at this off the daily as well, so we're definitely gonna have to get some breaks first. Got some bulls pushing back. If you looked at that euro, the German 30, you definitely see that shit pushing to the top side as well, breaking out. So I can see some recovery. I definitely can see some recovery. You know, as price just keeps, you know, smashing up to the top side. First thing we do, what do? Get to like 151, easy. So if you want to go ahead and grab you some buys, I would say get in 20 pips above this. That's 150, right? 747, 150, 747. Once again, 150, 747. 150, 747, hey, 150, 747, hey, 158, 747. That's the price right there. All right, so you never forget. Boom. Stop loss do like 10 pips. Feel me? So if the price of entry is 150, 747, make your stop loss like 150, 600, something like that. You know what I mean? Get it cracking like that. Almost 1,000 viewers this morning. That's what's up. Appreciate y'all. For real. You know what I mean? Because I ain't on here by myself. You feel me, though? Hey, smack that like button. If you're new here, smack that like button. If you're new here, smack that sub button. You feel me? You say, am I addicted to weed? I smoke every day. I mean, I guess. I don't know. You know, I just smoke every day like everybody else who be smoking weed every day. Who's it? I guess the daily smoker weeders. You know what I mean? Shit. Let's get it. Anyway, so boom, I got GJ pushing up to about 150. What is this? The first stop is like 151, right? We're going to do that. So if you want to and you enter, you want to take 30 pips home, you definitely can. Boom, close that. If you want to write it on out, go ahead and go to 152. You know what I mean? You get you like 130 some pips right there. You go ahead and cash that joint out. If you enter at 150, 747, you feel me? So about 130 pips if you go ahead and cash that out. That's if we get some push to the top side. Like I said, I see us pushing up. We see some green everywhere across the board. could it continue? It's gonna definitely have to break out. What's the first thing price gonna do? I mean, I look at it right now on a 4 hour, we're technically somewhere around this little, you know, resistance area. I'm not gonna call it resistance, you know, because we're not technically there, but then we're technically, you know, kind of right there in that resistance. So, you know, expect a slight pullback is one that can come. You know, if it's a pullback to come, it'll drop like 20-30 pips, and then we just gonna get busy to the top side. All right, now check it out. So we had a dope ass vibe today. You know, we had a dope ass vibe today. I want you to right now, if you're new here, just go ahead and spam, you know, where you're from. I want to see what different new cities we have, because I know it's a lot of different people who follow me from all over the world. I did a video on South Africa, so many different, you know, I was just like, holy shit, like that shit crazy, you feel me? So definitely just tap in, and it's getting cracking like that, you know. So, and this tour shit about to be crazy though. That's all I gotta say, you know. Y'all about to have a great time, and just be ready to enjoy. Be ready to enjoy. Now you already know we got that motherfucking in a mink coat, traded in a mink coat on the way up out of this bitch, you feel me? Just because that's the vibe why we get up out of here. I'm gonna wish y'all off to a good week, and then we gonna bounce, feel me? That's how it's gonna be. Let's start this song, feel me? Y'all spam just spam shit in the chat right now. We going up right now. This just getting energy off. So they can spam money in the chat right now, because that's gonna get your money energy up. Just money. You feel me? Just type money, just because that's gonna get your money up. Spam motherfucking money bags in the chat, you know, because you just attract the money energy. You see what we doing right now. That's now you talking some, you know, some different shit. Just realigning your energy right now with this money shit right now. So let's get it cracking. Feel me?
And I make coke. And I make coke.
There we go.
And I make
There
coke.
we go. Turn that shit up. What's up?
And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls. Young get out of control. Shoot my shot. Knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot. Knock it down like it's dominoes. And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls. Young get out of.
I like this song because I could really just vibe out. It ain't even too much energy. Like I got some songs that super turned up energy, so I'm getting on. You feel me? Performance gonna be wild, but this one is just like a little vibe where I can, hey, money forex too good. Like you feel me?
Control. Shoot my shot. Knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot. Knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey. Forex too good every day. Payday, wait day. Never went away. That's just an S to the V to the J. Running around me, bitch. I stay with the J. Honey breed beats, bitch. I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max. I'm in the market, in D with the packs, little bitch. I got forex tatted on my tempo. You can see info, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hang a line in the market, it's a list, bro. We in the field with two scope with the big dress.
Hey, so that's the motherfucking show. That's the show. Appreciate everybody for tapping in. Appreciate all you guys for tapping in. Appreciate all you, well, ladies and gentlemen, for tapping in. Trade game going up. You know what I'm saying? Once again, we got that $1,000 giveaway. All you do is just smack the link in my bio. I got a link in my bio. It's like a little link tree. It's a video there. Boom. And then that's how you know, go ahead and get all the info for that. If not, who cares? Fuck it. Get this information. Go make you some bread. You know what I'm saying? Look at some of the videos on my page. We got a big ass tour on the way. Big ass tour coming. I just been building it up. You know what I'm saying? And just getting prepared for that. Like we, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go up though. So I can't wait to just be getting off and you know, doing what I love. And well, you come here, you watch me do what I love too with the forex shit too, you know what I'm saying? But like my first passion, you know what I mean? So definitely it's gonna be very lightning. It's gonna be very energetic. Tickets will be on sale soon. New merch on the way as well. So definitely just be tapping in. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out this